Hi, I'm Professor Jessup, and this is our Lesson 3 assignment. Note that we are starting this assignment in Elluminate Live, which hopefully all of you have access to. I know the San Diego State Blackboard will be using Wimba. Most of us will be using, the rest of us will be using Elluminate Live. Now, I'm the only participant currently. You would join in this by signing in to the room, and that link is on your email or on your syllabus for Lesson 3. Now, I'm going to eventually share an application, which is this button right here, but currently let's look at what our goal is. Your screen, your Lesson 3 might look quite a bit different as things change. However, our main thing is that we have already looked for a calendar and found a daily planner that we like, and hopefully it is similar to either Outlook, Google, or Yahoo's calendar. Most of them are. And in this particular demonstration, I'm going to show you Google's calendar. So we have this schedule that we've looked at, that we are trying to fill for 1 week. That's our main assignment, and that we have either our own current schedule, or we're going to be blocking out 8:30 to 3 on our calendar for school, and then we're going to include such details as a 5-page book report due Thursday, 30 minutes of math daily, 200 pages of somewhat boring and difficult literature, which means it's going to take a while to read, and a Chapter 3 biology test. So we also want to make sure that we include our breaks, but that's part of the course, and you've already studied that. So in terms of the assignment, then, we have those details. Everybody is in Elluminate, so they have the ability to see this information for themselves. So we want to talk about how we're going to share our calendar and do the assignment. And we do that with this button right here, which says share the application. So one person is going to be set up to share their application, and that would be the person that has either the lead in this group or has the Google Calendar already. So in sharing, it tells you something about the sharing elevated privileges. So we're going to share, in this case, the Google Calendar. So that's what we want to look at. So notice that on your screen, this video is not showing that the participants and the chat areas of Elluminate are still available. In Scriblink, they would also be available. In Wimba, they're still available. But right now, all we're seeing in this video is the calendar, and that's what everybody will see. So first thing we want to do is add a calendar. So we're going to go down to My Calendars and add a calendar. And we're going to name it Lesson 3 Fall 2011. And in the description, I would include the names of people that are doing it with us right now. And location can be anywhere. It doesn't matter information. We do not want to put in the share public. Leave those both blank. But we do want to share with the other people. So in the room, chat room, you can now chat to each other what the emails are, and the moderator or the person that has a calendar can type in it'll show up. So let's look at something basic like sharing. So we know that 8:30 to 9 needs to be in class, and we want to edit the event details to be 8:30 to 3 was the time, right? So we want to go down to 3 p.m. And also it's going to repeat. It's going to be on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And it's going to end after, we're going to have 16 weeks if this is the first week, so we'll do 16 occurrences. And we're done. So we're going to save this, and we'll see that we now have, this Tuesday is highlighted. This happens to be the day I'm doing this particular lesson. We now have our blocked out time. Now, whoever is sharing this can type in at any time. So if they want to do their math, and they want to create this event, and they want to say we're going to do math every day at 3:30, or math 3:30 to 4:30 is too long, right? Because we only have to do it for a half hour. Then we could set that up, and we could repeat it, and we could do it every day, except nobody's going to do it on Friday, are we? Well, maybe we will, but it's up to you, right? And we're going to save that, and basically that's how we're going to do that. So the next thing is that we want to screen capture this. So note that we're going to go over here, and one of the icons is allowing us to screen capture. This takes us to the screen capture, back to the application sharing image 3. Notice that we have several of them that we can go to at any time, including a public room and a private room. But right now we want to stay here, and we want to maybe highlight some things or work on some things. So use your tools, and maybe, we better highlight that math for that day. And you can talk about it over here and say, can't do it, can't do this, I have soccer. And just by hitting enter, post that. And of course, this would be whoever you are in this group, in this activity. This would be the same in the others, Wimba and Scribblink as well. Once you have accomplished this, once you have your calendar all filled out, you have the details you want done, you've circled important things such as your test and stuff, I want you to take a screen capture. So using that free software that I gave the link to, you're just going to capture and take that capture and send it to me. And this can be just sent to the pass with that simple click. This concludes the calendar lesson.